Boy, them bring one little mongrel in that place. I don't know where him straight from. Eh? I go let him make him man get dropped up. Yeah, Vaz. I go let him call all the police them.
I'm sorry for them. Ranking,
that's why I tell us
I save them like this. I'm
yeah.
about it, money now. Make go back over there, brother.
Vicious, you have to know. As me I tell you, all we have to do, just go and look out how we hide them. I know say you was say come down. You see it, but as we say, everybody knows say a police. So anything where them attack, them just go and talk.
Talk a shocking though. Right, them are previous police informer then.
Alright, in a butcher. Them can go and say what them are saying. We are businessmen. Right, butcher? Businessmen. Alright?
Nah, I go lie still. That's not a businessman move. You hear that? Not a businessman move. I mean, I go disrespect you. I nah disrespect you still in my bro. But I ain't idea. It better you did do it and get blamed say you do it more than if you don't do it. And then still a blame you say you do it. You hear that?
Butcher. I know, so we should have called him over here.
You see like him turn counselor.
I wouldn't sense him get so holy. Yeah, I better go on back to Sherry now.
It maker, how I go on with you? Normally I'm me who would go on them way there, you know. Now look for see you go on them way there, brother. How I go on?
I ready to like this. It is, I shouldn't tell the man to come here.
Nah, tell you, brother. Eh? Vicious. You know when a man pop off a thing for your brother, what can go on? Eh? You must feel like a ramping shop business, me I tell you about. Me vex!
That me I try show you, you know. It maker. At 13 or 14 anything happen. Over 21 pan the man them ground charge. That me I try show you. Boy you gone over man them place and ask about new face. Kind of style that anything that can go on, man.
Odd man, I be a foolish here chatting now. I bet you go on back to your Joe's place because they their business. We deal with this.
What you talk about? Brother, anything involve me to charge it. I hold a role, everybody know that, bro. So if a man I go pray for do something charge him, I go pray for do me something to bad man.
Vicious. Right now your mouth a move and me still not hear nothing.
Right now, man, that's so not grateful like this. Remember when he name a carp and chopper thing, I was stand up behind him, brother. Right now, I move like you want to move wide.
Butcher, what you say? Bad man, remember say chopper thing I all away involved in a brother. So I ain't idea, me I wonder if I talk, me can't talk to him and them. You know hear what me I say?
Talk your talk or a preacher come for preach.
Oh, so that's why you come in here full white. Eh? You come for preach, so way. Deacon V. How you come for tithes? Eh?
Alright, bad man. You don't do nothing. We do my thing, you see me? Do nothing, man.
What I mean?
Yo, you don't take 9 inches for him.
Go home to share, man.
Oi, what you say? You take it now. Mad. I'm like you mad. Alright, here what one. Me baptize. But 9 inch I never baptize. And she collect all offering and tithes. Remember that.
Go home to share.
I can't believe how this it come to you, man. Better me did stay up on my Joe's man. Better me did just listen shit.
Ranking enough. Man, don't get a block off now.
I don't trust nobody with this.
No, I wonder if a block off your Satina butcher.
But so we see you on your next end, man. You're so good, bro. You see it?
No one take no check still, you know. Like how here say we name a call, you have to make sure say everywhere lock off. You see it?
Now, this man from over there said I want to take me on. Them have to hear say a police dash him.
Well, Butcha. I went drunk, no fool, you know. Can't be too fearful, but best to be careful, bro.
Yo, I can't believe say look thing gone so far, brother. After we are try to stay out of this, brother.
So man just dance, brother. You see me? Cause forward for chat to him, man. Them a move like them a idiot. So what we for do?
Yo, I want to know who give him the place to run, you know. Can't let them fair run place, how him?
Well, yes, how that thing I look, brother. Him can't run the place without good bucketive. You see me? He must be a puppet youth.
It is. Who run the area there? How is politician run over there?
I want to tell you, say, Mr. Wallace' brother used to run off over there, you know. But for him go, mister, oh, look, a brother named Daly take it over.
Daily? Everton Daily? Dog, you know how much corruption the boy name called upon it is.
Oh, so that means you him put him there so then. You see it, a corrupt youth them, you know. And you see, he can't get with a program too. Because you know how things set, you know. Him goodly send some little man to come scope out what go on over our side. You know, see pre now, Butcha?
It is. How Daily put that man there, so. Them boy they can't tame him, have to know that, you know.
You don't know a politics game go already, brother. Them put them there through them can't use them. And you see as soon as them can't use them no more, they just shook them out. And you see it look like a we get caught up in a trap.
Yo, the man then wait till sitting jump off in a brother. If you dash your man in the dog and then we get pre-feet in a seat.
You know, so it look like the new face boy. And him then sent to come stir up things over here for real, Butcha.
Yo, you know what, me feel like we have to go find out who the border it is.
Not no simple, man. Just go over there, go give DJ a visit. You understand? No long this, no sing. I wonder if he want a clash.